This old guy DIY video has to do with the negative consequences of installing a fuel pump in a 2003 Chevy Suburban when the O-ring that you received from AC Delco is defective. So I recently put this fuel pump in the vehicle of a friend of mine, and she called the other day and said, "Hey, my car smells like gas." So gladly I had put it in from the top. So I opened up the floorboard beneath the passenger side back seat, and I saw that there was fuel all the way around the diameter of that pump. So I thought, what the heck would cause that? And when I pulled the gasket out, I see that the gasket was misformed. That's supposed to be a sealing surface, and obviously if you pull that down against something flat, you're going to have leakage. So as a result, I had to pull that fuel pump out, take this gasket off. I ordered another fuel pump that has a gasket that is in fact fully formed, so I'll replace this fuel pump and hopefully this issue will be resolved. After taking a test drive up and down hills and swerving left and right with a full tank of fuel, there's no leakage in here, so the O-ring was the root cause of my problem. Unfortunately, it looks like AC Delco has some quality control concerns to work on, and this thing just cost me an hour and a half of my life getting the right part and then installing it, so it's a waste of my time but no cost to them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.